Dawn breaks, but the warehouse is already awake. Lights buzz, forklifts hum, a new shift begins. And there he is, silent, focused, just him and the machine. They say heroes wear capes. This one wears a high-vis vest. First move, a straight line, but not just any line. That line sets the tone for every lift, every turn. He grips the wheel like a captain steering through fog, a loose pallet, no label, no weight stamp. He pauses, studies it, measures its soul. Then, smooth as jazz, he picks it up like a dance partner. Stacked, locked, safe. Another silent win. They don't teach this kind of instinct. You earn it, shift by shift. An urgent call over the radio. High rack, tight fit. Every forklift driver knows this is where mistakes happen. But he's calm, cool, steering with inches to spare. A lift, a tilt. The pallet kisses the steel frame, perfect, back to the ground. Like it never happened. Hours pass, boxes vanish, orders fulfilled, and still not a word spoken. Just action. Just skill. Somewhere out there, a family waits on a package he just loaded. Forklift drivers don't just move stuff. They move lives. Then it happens. A loud crack. One strap failed. A box is dangling 2 meters high. He stops, measures the risk. There's no manual. Slow breath. Reverse. Adjust. Approach again. The forks slide in like a locksmith at midnight. The box is safe. Nobody even noticed. That's the mark of a pro. The final pallet lands. The shift ends. And as he powers down, he hears the call. Tomorrow, you'll train the new guy. Can a man who never speaks become a teacher? Skill is silent, but safety speaks volumes. Download your free checklist below. Hit subscribe. And don't miss the next episode. Training Day, Forklift Rookie Mistakes.
Oups. Tu vas emballer?
Dawn in the
Ah,
warehouse.
okay, go ahead.
The lights buzz
No
awake,
problem.
flickering like dreams shaking off sleep. In the far aisle, one machine stirs, and beside it, a man. No words, no rush, just purpose. Today, he'll lift more than boxes. He'll carry timelines, trust, and the weight of the invisible world we all depend on. They say it all begins with a straight line. But when was the last time you really tried to drive in a perfect line with a 10-ton machine? That's how our driver begins every shift. Straight, smooth, measured. Because if you can't drive straight, then you can't lift straight. His tires line up like he's tracing the spine of the warehouse. Each meter forward whispers,
Get it?
focus,
Okay.
precision, pride. You'd be surprised how many new drivers fail right here.
Check your
Would you pass that test? First pallet of the day, just 4 boxes, but balanced like a house of cards. The forks slide in gently, the lift begins. Have you ever picked up something fragile with someone watching? Now imagine hundreds of eyes on your every move in silence. Too fast, it shakes. Too tilted, it slips. He nails it, because it's not his first lift, it's his 4,000. And just when the day feels routine, the emergency horn sounds. Bay 7, a broken box, spilled chemicals. Fork down, brake set, gloves on. He's not a firefighter, but today, he's the one cleaning up the smoke. High racks, the skyscrapers of the warehouse. He's lifting to row F, 3 meters high. The higher the lift, the smaller the room for error. And the tighter the fit, the tighter your breath. How steady is your hand when 10,000 of goods rest on your pinky's precision? But our guy, he makes it look like ballet until a rogue pigeon decides to photobomb. Right there, mid-lift. It lands on the box, a stare-off, bird versus box boss. He waits. The pigeon blinks first. Yeah, even nature respects the forklift. Across the mirror, he sees a rookie stalling at the dock. The wheel jerks, the forks scrape. Confidence, gone. He doesn't walk over, doesn't lecture. Instead, he pulls into the bay beside him, shows him how it's done. No words, just rhythm. Because sometimes the loudest way to lead is by being excellent. Warehouse supervisor waves his clipboard. Truck leaves in 8 minutes. 4 pallets left, clock ticking. He shifts, stacks, spins, dances. No rush, just rhythm. And with 10 seconds left, the truck door rolls shut. Boom! Mission cleared. And by now the warehouse hums a little different. Boxes are gone, spaces are clear, orders are flying, and it started with one silent man in a loud world. Forklifts don't get thank you cards, but they deliver the gifts inside them. He parks the machine, powers it down, wipes his hands. No applause, no spotlight, but he knows every box move keeps the world turning. And tomorrow, he's not alone. New guy's starting, never driven a forklift before. So guess who's the new teacher? Skill is silent, but safety speaks loud. Download our free inspection checklist below. Subscribe to join the crew. And next up, first day on the forklift. Rookie mistakes you must avoid.